Mm, Good afternoon, guys. Um, Today I'm gonna be sharing with you simple things. We're actually going to be sharing uh, trend lines. Okay. Basically, what you're looking for is to figure out what is a trend that you are faced with at the moment where you will be trading whatever pair that you'll be trading. Now, here's the thing. Just a moment. There's something I need to put on the screen for the purposes of some drawings, if need arise. Now, back to what we were discussing. Delete this one. Excellent. Yeah. So before you make any trade, you'd want to uh, figure out what do you call your trend. Just a moment. Thank you for your patience, guys. Uh, when we look into this, we are seeing that it has been raging. Many are saying ranging, and really it's called ranging. I don't know why am I saying it's rage. These are our previous analysis. As you can see, we were trading structures, pattern and structure. We were able to make this long trade, and then we caught it. And also here within this structure, we also caught another structure, and we caught this one again. So now we are left with here the current price. So basically, guys, what you need to understand is this: the price is always the same. The price is always the same. The price is always the same. Uh, what you do, let's go on a daily and figure out what's happening from daily. So this is where you'll see our analysis that we've been catching trades here. Anyway, um, for the longest time, we've been waiting for this support, this resistance. I mean, let me just put another resistance. So that we can see a zone, because currently we don't have a zone, so it's quite critical for us to draw a zone so we can have clarity of things. Then if we really zoom this thing in like that, we are able to figure out what has been happening. uh there we go, just a moment. There we go. Yes. So there's another zone. It's another zone. Oh man, I'm sorry. So this is another zone. So what we are seeing here is that it has been ranging uh, inside here. We see this. It was consolidating, impulse, corrective move, quite a small range, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, impulse, correction. Then we started having this the structure, and it went down. We had again another structure here, it headed down. So that has been happening for the previous, I don't know, since 2016. So if you look at this line here, I'll just put a proper horizontal line. I'll put a proper horizontal line. Horizontal line. There we go. Look what has been happening here. This is what we are seeing. Support, 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 resistance, resistance. So we are seeing now that this now is becoming a resistance, meaning that it broke out here, but it failed to go up. It came back within the zone, and it went and broke out again, but came back again inside. So you then now go to a smaller time frame. Smaller time frame is where you get this. So here, very same things. You need to figure out what is happening. There we go. We are seeing this range here. We are seeing this range here, and it went up. So if one would put a fib here, we are now looking for a high liquidity zone. Okay, we are trying to catch a high liquidity zone. High liquidity zone. We are seeing it now. This is your high liquidity zone. If you can see it well. How? Why am I saying it's high liquidity zone? Here, you see support, 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 breakout and support, support. Now here, it's becoming a resistance. A very high liquidity zone. A very high liquidity zone. So now, what are we saying with this? I would do this, take this to here, and take this to here. Excellent. From a smaller time frame, I'm aiming for a buy to this level here, 1.618. Let's put horizontal line. You can then now see what's happening. We will drag this line here. So this line, it shows us that this will hit here. Then now remove our thing. And let's now go to an hour. So what we are looking for, perfect entries, perfect entries. We are looking for perfect entries. Hmm. We are seeing a breakout here from this consolidation. This consolidation, we are experiencing a breakout. It consolidated here, and then it broke out, retested. Now it's gonna shoot up. Let's look for entries now. Already the entry, it's irishile. We are a bit late for that entry. However, we can still take that entry. So now we are trying to manage our stop loss. Our entry is supposed to be here. That's where our entry is supposed to be at. So we're gonna do this. Our stop loss is here. Then we're going back to our 4 hour time frame. I'm gonna take this to there. There we go. Then we know that we are risking this small for this much. That's how we make an analysis, and we are saving much from the trade that we are making, and we are risking less for more. We are speaking of 1:6, and we are risking way more less than we ought to risk. But that's how we're trading here at MJ Forex Institute. Thank you very much, guys.